Hello internet. So today I got my BattlBox Mission 7. So this is EDC Everyday Carry Box. I have no idea what's going to be in here. So pretty cool. A little bit smaller than the previous boxes, but don't worry, I'm sure it contains all sorts of cool goodies. So let's get in there and get into it and see what's up. All right. Cool. So, of course, we got our tinder. I love this stuff. It's cool because I used some of it the other day to get my fire going, and now I get to replace it. All right, so let's see. Mission 7, sit rep, everyday carry. Obviously, the card tells you everything that you got. All right, so first thing in the basic this month, and if you look at the description of the video, it will cover the different packages that you can buy from BattlBox, Basic, Advanced, Pro, and Pro Plus, and their pricing. There'll also be a link to their website so you can subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. From what I understand, next month's box is going to be the one to get. So if you are a current subscriber, don't unsubscribe for next month's box. And yeah, so the first thing that we get in the basic box this month is a Martin American Designs AR-15 hammer bottle opener keychain. They have it valued at $19.95, which is the MSRP. So that's actually really neat. Alright, so anyway, AR-15 hammer bottle opener. That is really neat. And obviously your little ring to put it on for your keychain. Man, they ain't gonna go in my survival pack, but that's definitely going on my keychain. Alright, so the next thing you get is a Cold Dead Hand Spartan morale patch. This guy right here. Cold Dead Hands Spartan morale patch. That's really neat. I like that. I've always been a fan of the Spartans, so I'll stick that right up there for now until I figure out what I want to do with it. Put my Punisher one away. Alright. Then you get an everyday carry Molly knife, which I'm guessing is this S&S Protection Pocket Shiv. Warning, sharp object, do not cut yourself. Pocket shiv. P.S. I love you. That's what it says. I can't make this up. You can't make that up. Oh, it's got some weight to it. I mean, it's not extremely sharp, but I guess it doesn't really have to be, because this is more like a spike. I mean, that's going to go through something. The edges are clean and to the point. Yeah, throw that one in there. That's funny. Yeah, so S&S Precision cannot be held liable for any cuts, scrapes, or contusions caused by using this product in the way it was intended. And then of course you got a nice little lanyard for it. I like it. I mean, I wasn't expecting to get a knife this month because I didn't get the Pro Plus, but I kind of got a knife this month anyway. So the last thing that you get in the this one's funny. This is good stuff. So in survival situations, and even in hunting situations, I've known a lot of people who've used these for things other than what they were originally intended for. So the last thing that you get in the basic is the BattlBox survival condoms. I don't know how I said that with a straight face. 1 month I get handcuffs, the next month I get condoms. My wife's gonna start wondering just exactly what it is that I subscribe to here. But seriously, you can use these for you can use these for a lot of things. And as a matter of fact, it looks like they gave you some ideas too. So BattlBox survival condom, and on the back here it tells you 10 ways to use your condom for survival. Hashtag not your girlfriend's box. Hashtag survival condom. So carry and store water, start an emergency fire with magnification, use it as an emergency glove for first aid, inflatable fishing bobber, I've seen that done, small limb tourniquet, never even thought about that, waterproof container for matches and tinder, so you kind of toss your matches, tinder and stuff inside of it, tie the end up, waterproof. Protect your muzzle from moisture debris. Obviously you can stick it over the muzzle of your rifle, and then if you're, you know, walking through some swamps or something like that, you're not going to get a bunch of stuff down your barrel that's going to cause issues later on. So improvised slingshot, and it's flammable for starting fires. Man, that's a little concerning. Number 10, I'll let you read for yourself. Good job, BattlBox. Oh, wow. So the total value of the basic this month was $47.99, and that is the manufacturer's retail price, you know, whatever, MSRP. So, suggested retail price, sorry. So, the keychain, $19.95, the morale patch, $10, the knife, $8.50. I missed one. How did I miss one? You know what it is? They put these weird colors on there this month, and screwing me all up here. So I missed one, and good thing I didn't go on to the advanced yet, or else we would not have seen it to the end. So we got the DPX gear danger tag, valued at $7.99. So this is the DPX gear danger tag. All right. It's actually really neat. Oh, you get a 10% off coupon too. Sweet. So anyway, there's the tag, right? And then what you can do is you can bend the tabs here and here, right, and break it away, and it becomes a straight edge or a serrated edge device, as you can see on the back. And I guess for rapid self-protection tool, use the bottom breakaway edge. So it looks like you can break away the bottom of it here and use it that way too. I like that. That's really neat, and that is definitely an everyday carry. So back on the track here, now that I didn't miss anything, you got the DPX gear danger tag, $7.99, and the condoms are retailed at $1.50. So your total for the basic is $47.99 this month. Manufacturer's suggested retail price. Alright, so on to the Advanced. The first thing we have with the Advanced is the human wallet. How to use your human wallet mini. Okay. So it gives you a nice little card on how to use it, and also gives you a coupon for 35% off your purchase. So this is neat. It's like really nice, flat, pretty tough cards held together by this band right here. And what you do is, up at the top you have a little thing, little depressions, right? You stick your thumbs in there, open it up, there's your wallet. That's all you need. Put your finger in there somehow, I guess, get your stuff out, put your stuff in, close it back up, holds all your junk. Alright, so that's the first thing in the Advanced human wallet. $29.96 value. Alright, next we get a bullet pen. Alright, so this is a bullet pen from mybulletpens.com, and this is real once fired brass. So this is made out of brass that actually was shot at one point in time. So that's a bullet pen. That's really, I kind of like these novelty things. I'm gonna use that at the office, and people are gonna look at me like I am nuts, but that's okay. That's all right. So that's a bullet pen from mybulletpen.com, and that's a $20 suggested retail price on that. And then the last thing you get in the Advanced is the KeySmart 2.0. So this is the KeySmart, and you can use this for a ton of stuff actually, not just keys. But I'll show you, if you haven't seen what a KeySmart is, take a look at them online. But I'll show you exactly what this does. So this is a KeySmart, and you can see this one comes with a nice tab on it already. Some of them come with USB ports on them for like thumb drives and stuff like that. You can get a few different kinds actually, different colors and everything else. Anyway, what you do is you put your keys in here, and I'll do that later on. Maybe next month I'll pull it out and show you what it looks like. But so you unscrew this, you slap your keys inside here, and then all your keys fold down into a nice little thing that you can carry with you. Now I have everything on a D-ring, because it's just easier to clip on sometimes when I'm doing stuff. But even that, I can just throw this on my D-ring, have all my keys in there, and call it a day. I'm gonna give this a go without the D-ring though. I think I'm gonna attach it to my car key, but that's really cool. That's really neat. And that is a $19.98 value, and that is the Advanced. So your total to this point for the Basic and the Advanced is total value of $117.93, manufacturer suggested retail price. Cool. So now we're on to the Pro. And the Pro this month, oh yeah. So the Pro this month is going to give me something that I will definitely use all the time. And that is Wiley XP17 sunglasses. Though it's not sunny out here anymore, I'm still gonna put them on. So you get this nice case for your sunglasses, and oh yeah, cleaning rag. Protective spectacles. All right. It looks like you got a lanyard here and one of those stretchy things to keep them on your face, I guess. I don't know. I've never used those. I've been looking for a new pair of glasses, so I have a pair of Spy right now, and they're getting pretty beat up. Oh wow, yeah, these are nice. It's got a nice rubber edge here, soft touch material. Boom, boom. Yes, I do like these. I am going to wear these until I can no longer see outside. So that is the Pro. The Pro this month was just the sunglasses. They're an $80 value, which brings your Pro package up to $197.93 manufacturer suggested retail price. Go BattlBox. That is a $99 box and $197.93 value. Seriously, that's awesome, and I am super excited about some of the stuff that I got this month. I mean, this is neat, right? Because I own an AR, so that's just fun. The shiv knife, love it. That's gonna go in my pack. The tag, I like those kind of things. The condoms are questionable still, but okay. The bullet pen, I'm going to use at work. The wallet, absolutely. I've been wanting one of these for my keys. You know, the morale patch. Who doesn't love a morale patch? And the sunglasses. Awesome. Can't wait for next month. Next month they're saying is going to be the month of months. So I really can't wait. Can you just send it now? Just maybe send it now. I'll wait for my unboxing video to go up. I won't spoil it. No, all right. So I will be getting that box for sure. So I can't wait. Anyway, BattlBox did it again. Love it. The only thing that I didn't get this month was the Pro Plus package, which is the Leatherman multi-tool. I do have a Leatherman. I don't know where it is right now. I know I have one. But it was an $80 value, well, $79.85 value, so that brought the Pro Plus value up to $277.78, and that is a $150 box. So if you got the Pro Plus was worth $277, you paid $150. That's awesome. That's awesome. So BattlBox, BattlBox.com. Check that out. If you haven't signed up, I suggest you sign up. It's a lot of fun. You get a lot of cool stuff. Check out Kern1776. He's got some pretty cool unboxing videos, as well as some other videos on all sorts of other stuff. Real good dude. Check him out. You know, subscribe to me if you like my unboxing videos. I also do some other stuff. I play with my cars and I do some shooting. Anywho, thank you. BattlBox. Enjoy.